Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, that is Brewing Happiness. So it's been really long that I've not uploaded any video because A, I was too lazy to do anything, and B, it's too humid, too hot thanks to this weather that I've been just so lazy that I'm on my bed all the time. But finally I am here with a new YouTube video, and this video is a DIY video. It's been really long कि मैंने कुछ भी DIY नहीं try किया. And I remember in my childhood I used to love making drawings, paintings and art and crafts. And अभी मैंने recently एक cute सा olive green color का top purchase किया था, but वो after its first wash वो damage हो गया and मैं उसको नहीं पहन रही थी. But यार I was like, I have spent money on that, I have to reuse it, I have to retransform it. So that's what I'm gonna do it today in this video. And guys, even you can try something like this. I'm gonna tell you what all materials you can use on your clothes, which are like cheap, not very expensive, and it's a good time to do something fun, creative. You can try on your old clothes if you're not that confident with your new clothes. And I hope that all of you are safe and sound. I know this time is difficult, it's a patience test for all of us, even for me, trust me. Like even my mood swings are from here to here to here to here, like the graph is like really messy. But I hope ki this time shall pass and we get back to our normal lives. We can go out with our friends, okay, without any more blabbering. Let's just jump into the video and make sure you watch this video till the end because it's gonna be cool. And guys, I'm putting a lot of like cool stuff on my Instagram, so if you're not following me there, you can go and check it out. And if you like it, please do follow and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's make a family bigger and bigger very soon. So share your feedback about this, about how you like this video, and I hope कि मैं थोड़ा successfully एक टॉप को अच्छे से create कर सकूँ because मैंने खुद बहुत टाइम से try नहीं किया है. So I'm gonna try it along with you. So yeah, let's get started quickly. So this is all what you need. So acrylic colors if you want to paint your clothes, these are very cheap. Then scissors are optional depending on your need. Then if you want to stick something, some marbles or stones on your clothes, then this is the fabric glue that you can get. Again, it's a very cheap option. Then cotton only if you need, it's again an optional thing. So some paint brushes, and this is actually the nail remover wipes. And why I am using it, I'll be using it as a stencil, I'm gonna tell you later. So some newspapers, so that while painting on the front side of the top or any other cloth, your backside shouldn't be spoiled. So yeah, newspapers. So that's about it, and let's get started. It was too hot that I have to tie my hair because I was sweating like anything. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the top which I was talking about. So this was a crop top which I bought, olive color crop top, and like this, if you are able to see, right? So यहाँ पे like मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ, it says like find me at, and it has these really cool tags. WhatsApp, here was a sign of Instagram, and ये जो आपको दिख रहा है यहाँ पे था Snapchat. Although Snapchat I haven't used in my life, but I found it really cool because these days our life is like revolving around social media and nothing else. So this is a plain top and इस पे ये था. What I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna remove these, and मैं यहाँ पे create करने वाली हूँ signs in 3 boxes में. Find me at of the apps which I use most of the times, like YouTube, Netflix and Myntra. I am like on Myntra every time, so वो हम करने वाले हैं. And फिर over here I'm gonna create yellow color heart के patches because you know olive green पे yellow is a color जो बहुत अच्छे से pop up होगा. And then on these boundaries, if you can see on the neckline and on the arms, इसकी boundary पे I'm gonna recreate some really cool pattern with the cotton. So I hope कि final इसका जो output होगा वो अच्छा लगेगा. So yeah, let's start.
tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful.
तो नेक्स्ट टाइम हमने क्या किया, बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट अ साइन ऑफ यूट्यूब, नेटफ्लिक्स एंड मिंत्रा, सो आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू टेक एनी रिस्क ऑफ डायरेक्टली पेंटिंग ओवर द टॉप. तो इसीलिए मैंने ईज के लिए ये कटआउट्स ऑलरेडी बना के रखे हैं. लेट मी शो यू. तो दिस इज़ फॉर यूट्यूब, दिस इज़ फॉर नेटफ्लिक्स एंड दिस इज़ हाँ, दिस वन इज़ फॉर मिंत्रा. सो या लेट्स कंटिन्यू एंड कंप्लीट आवर DIY. So finally our first icon is ready and it like looks perfect like a YouTube button. And now moving on to the next one. It was hell lot of work, guys. So let me show you some progress. This is how the YouTube one looks. And Myntra का भी half M हुआ है. तो ये मैंने ऑलरेडी स्टेंसिल से यहाँ पे मार्किंग्स कर ली थी टू मेक माई वर्क ईजियर. यू कैन एक्चुअली मिक्स वाइट एंड रेड टू मेक दिस पिंक इफ यू वॉन्ट टू. एंड नाउ आई एम गोना मेक ऑरेंज कलर विद द हेल्प ऑफ येलो एंड रेड.
Great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
ओके, सो फाइनली अभी 2 ही बॉक्सेस हुए हैं एंड बहुत मेहनत लगी इसमें, बिकॉज बहुत छोटी छोटी और माइन्यूट डिटेल्स थी. सो आई जस्ट वांटेड एवरीथिंग टू बी परफेक्ट, लाइक नियरली टू परफेक्ट. सो आई एम गोना शो यू. एंड सेकेंड नेटफ्लिक्स वाला जो है दैट्स पेंडिंग. उसको मैंने 3 बार ट्राई किया बट वो प्रॉपरली अभी तक नहीं हो रहा है. सो नाउ आई एम लाइक मैं उसको लास्ट में करने वाली हूँ एंड वी आर गोइंग टू मूव फॉरवर्ड. नाउ व्हाट आई एम गोना डू इज, वेट लेट मी शो यू that art and fashion are all about reuse and restyle. So this is basically an empty box of wipes, nail remover wipes. तो इसको मैंने फेंका नहीं था thankfully. I'm gonna use this part as a stencil. I'm gonna paint it all yellow and I'm going to draw yellow color patches on my top. So now I'm going to start with this border and I'm going to use multicolors and I'm going to make patches with the cotton. So yeah. So that was it for this video, guys. I hope that you liked this video, and before ending this video I would like to give you some tips if you are also trying to do some similar kind of DIY with acrylic colors or even oil pastels or watercolors. So tip number 1 will be that always go for flat brushes instead of round brushes. That will make your work more easy if you know you are trying to paint in smaller areas or on the boundary area. So flat brushes will make your work a lot more easier. So tip number 2 will be, if you have started to paint in a horizontal or vertical direction, make sure you paint in the same direction till your work is completed. That will make your output to look more clean and more neat, and it won't look messy. So for example, if you have started to paint in a horizontal direction, make sure you paint in a horizontal direction throughout, and you will see that there is more neatness in your final output. Tip number 3 will be, yellow and green are those kind of colors which can either make your work look stand out or they can create a mess. So make sure whenever you are using these two colors, you use your strokes very neatly. So this is a paintbrush. So stroke is like this. This is your single stroke. So make sure you're not painting like this and this. That will make your work look messy. Make sure it's like this, smoothly and in the same direction. So your strokes should be very clean. I hope that these tips were useful and you liked this video. Let me know your feedback in the comment section below. Also, if you're watching me for the first time, then make sure you hit the subscribe button, bell button, so that every time I'll put a new video, you will get notified first. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, and keep brewing happiness in your lives, in others' lives. And yeah, guys, that's it. Bye.